Hello and welcome to my Pentart Playbook series. I'm Shannon from Pick and Booze Vintage, and what I'm going to do is each month I'm going to show you a different set of Pentart products and describe how to use them. Cracking Gel Transparent. This stuff is amazing. Okay, what it is a water-based two-component system. It's used for creating a transparent or a 3D crackle texture. It's going to go over your layer, so it sits on top of whatever you're working on. It dries clear, and it allows you to see through whatever your design or your paper or your color is below the gel. Now, to use the Cracking Gel Transparent, all you have to do is apply component 1, put on an even thin coat. It'll go on white. Please allow it to dry fully. If it doesn't dry fully, you can get some clouding in the transparent crackle gel. So make sure it dries completely. After it's dried, you're going to spread component 2 over it, and you can use a brush, you can use a sponge, you can use a palette knife, or even put it through a stencil. You can put it on thick for deeper cracks or thin for smaller cracks. Once you've put it on, allow it to air dry naturally. You can use a heat gun if you want to. Just make sure you move it continuously to avoid heat damage. I always prefer to allow it to dry naturally. Okay, so then once the cracks have formed, you can rub in some antique gel or patina or pigments to highlight the cracks. Now, some pro tips that are going to make your crackling gel transparent amazing. So you can mix it with pigments so you can get different colors. You can put it on thicker to have bigger cracks or thinner to have thinner cracks. Make sure, like I said earlier, let component 1 dry thoroughly to avoid any clouding on the transparent gel. And finally, if you vary the thickness of component 2 when you're putting on your project, just vary it a little bit thin, thick, you'll get a more natural look.